What do we hear first? So it's really just an inside.
Who's your party line?
Who here is a BroadwayCon Blizzard survivor? So for those who are not,
She's in London, so it's going to be very late.
One day. It's going to happen one day. So the first year we had Mother Nature trying real hard to mess with us, but we decided not today. And no today, but any other day. And we had a party anyway. And so we, with a lot of extra programming to fill, decided to just hop on a stage and call whoever we could call who couldn't make it because of the snow. Hence was born the Blizzard Party Line, and that's what it will be called forever.
So we're going to kick it off. Our first guest was going to try and call, but is seeing network at 7 o'clock. And didn't want to call us from the lobby and upset Brian Cranston. So they sent a video along, so we just want to show that video and first to kick off our party line.
Hey everyone at BroadwayCon. I just wanted to send you guys a message to say how much I wish I could be there, how much I miss being a part of this incredible event and a part of the community. Being in the Great Comet of 1812 and being on Broadway is one of the most rewarding experiences of my whole life and my career, and I was very, very tired at the end of it, but I miss it so, so much. So I'm really hoping in the next couple of years to find my way back to Broadway and something equally as exciting and challenging as the Great Comet was. Also, I just did a concert at Madison Square Garden, and we filmed it. It's with the brilliant, legendary Idina Menzel. Movie theaters, hopefully near you on February 12th. But basically, I just wanted to stop and send my love and tell you guys I'm thinking of you, and I hope you have an amazing BroadwayCon, and I hope to see you in person very, very soon, either on Broadway or at BroadwayCon.
Great. Thank you, Josh. Good. So we've got our next person already on the video stream, who's a real friend of BroadwayCon, and will be back on Broadway. There's a wonderful dance party happening. What we want to do first is just play the audio.
I don't think he knows he's on screen yet, and he's doing a dance party.
He's only on screen for us.
He doesn't know that they can't see him yet.
I can fully hear you.
Great.
No one can see you yet.
No one can see you yet. We want to play.
We're teasing real good
So
right now.
can you say hi to the crowd in any voice? We're going to try and figure out who you are.
Fun game. I dig it.
Any thoughts?
They got it right away, immediately.
Wizards out there!
Is Rob up there? He's coming.
I really thought.
Let's see if we can put on the iMac above us too. We have a wonderful.
I really thought he was going to put on like the Rod voice, and that's what we were going to get it from. But some people actually know Rob's voice. That was pretty.
That was remarkable. It was like one lone voice from the back of the crowd going, Rob McClure! It was amazing.
Are you a darts?
Thank you so much. What'd you say?
Are you a darts aficionado? You got a thing behind your head.
I do. My wife and I made this. We drink a lot of wine.
And Rob, in addition to coming back to Broadway, you're a father now.
So how's your sleep?
Which is that's the reason why I'm not there, is because I literally just put this burping cloth down. Or else I would be there celebrating with y'all, but fatherhood has been the most magically exhausting bliss ever. And I'm gearing up for the Beetlejuice tornado, so guys, you don't even know.
What don't we know?
We're going to see a sneak peek on Sunday at First Look.
What a great
Excellent post of phrasing.
Thanks, Becker.
Hi, Rob.
Hey!
I want you. So Rob did one of our Playbill cruises.
Yes.
And you have some fun stories from the cruise. Can you tell someone the fun story about the elevator at the cruise?
Oh my god, wait, there are so many, okay, so first of all,
the elevator.
say, Maggie and I are by far the youngest people on that cruise. And but people that they don't, they don't quite understand how, you guys, 99.999% of you are the type of Broadway fans that we absolutely adore. You know the right things to say. You're sweet at the stage door. You're respectful of people's time. You are exactly the type of people we love to interact with. And then there are people who will come up to you in the elevator, and one of the women said to Maggie and I, "Oh my God, we loved you guys in Chicago," and we're like, "Oh, I'm so glad you saw the show." Meaning, Something Rotten tour in Chicago.
In the city of.
And this older woman went, "Chicago? I can't imagine you guys being sexy."
Always well-intentioned, though. Always well-intentioned.
Always
That was well-intentioned.
We saw you in Chicago. Someone was saying that they liked them.
That's it. Just play it once in your head before it escapes your face.
Rule of life.
That's all.
When does Beetlejuice start performances?
We go into previews March 28th, and we open at the Winter Garden on April 25th.
Cool.
I think we're the last show before the Tony cutoff. We're just
Yes, you are.
Well, Rob, we missed you at BroadwayCon. We had such
it's gonna be amazing.
Yeah. We missed you at BroadwayCon.
I cannot wait to be back.
Yeah.
I cannot wait.
But we're gonna let you go.
Go Eagles. Go Eagles? Or you
Saying go Eagles.
Go Eagles. 76
My
right?
Philly people.
Cool. Well, Rob, enjoy your new child. And thanks for making time for us here at BroadwayCon.
I love you, brother.
I'm the tech guru on stage. It's terrifying. I have no idea.
Rob was also one of the people during the blizzard who just stepped up so huge.
There's a small handful, and we love everybody who comes to BroadwayCon, but there are a small handful of people that when that blizzard happened, just for they whipped off their clothes to reveal a superhero costume, was like, "What do you need me to do?" Leslie Margarita was one of them.
Ryan Redman.
This is one of them.
This is another one.
The next person is
We've
one
got
of them.
someone with us.
I think this person sang 85 songs.
Yeah, this person. That first year at BroadwayCon did everything. Hello. Hi.
So we're doing the guest
We're
quiz?
gonna put your voice on screen or on speaker.
Oh, okay, so
Wait. Someone said Lena Hall. Is that who this is? Can we put it on the video and see?
Award winner, Lena Hall.
Yes, of course. No, it's okay. Newly
We
engaged
miss you
Lena
here.
Hall.
Congratulations.
so you're engaged, newly engaged.
That's the end of the hardware.
It's amazing.
Where are you right now?
I'm in Vancouver.
Are you doing a TV thing?
TV show.
Are you allowed to talk about what the TV show is, or is it under lock and
It's
key?
called Snowpiercer with David Day.
Oh, heck yeah.
So who is this David Diggs you're talking about? It sounds vaguely familiar to me.
I don't know who he is.
Yeah. And is this on a network, on a streaming service, or?
Yeah, it's TNT, and it will come out middle of the summer. So I'm really excited, and it will be on Netflix worldwide. So basically, they're going to release it week at a time. So when it airs on TNT, then it'll be streaming on Netflix worldwide. It's pretty cool.
Wasn't that a movie? Is this based on the movie and now they're making it a television show, or is it something completely else?
It is. It's based on the film, and also there's books. There's these awesome graphic novels that it's based on, and they're really cool. They're really dark. So, so you know, the show it's very different from the TV show or from the movie. So don't expect to see like the same characters, but it's a cool show. I'm really excited.
Can you talk about what kind of character you're playing, or?
Oh yeah, I play the madam of the night car.
Ooh. And is there
I
any
know.
singing? Is there any singing involved at all, or any kind of musical performance, or?
Well, that's just good sense. They can't have you and not, you know?
Yeah. Did you know David before Snowpiercer? Had you met before?
What?
Did you know David before Snowpiercer?
I had met him a couple of times. In fact, the first time I met him, I was like, "Hi, David. I'm Gina."
That's a great name.
Yeah, it is a wonderful name, David Alpert. But yeah, he was like, "It's David." I was like, "Oh shit." Like, you know. Sorry. I did the same thing to Danae.
Same thing. You said hi, Denny.
Dana?
I was like, "Hi, Deanie."
It's better than
She was like, "It's Danae." I was like, "Oh, I feel horrible." Like, it's just like one of those things in your insides where you're just mortified.
I think you've redeemed yourself, probably, at least once or twice. You think?
Yeah.
Dana, is your dog with you?
No. My dog is with Lauren Cagnetta. She's probably there.
What kind of dog is?
Not there.
She's a Pomeranian. Her name is Ziggy Starfox.
I'm still hung up on David. I want to know what it's like to work with David and what you guys are doing. Are you in scenes together, or he's writing it, right?
No. He's I don't think he's writing it, but